Now that you've told us about your past work, we're going to ask you some questions about returning to work when and if you're able. Not necessarily to your old job, but possibly a new job with a new employer. Of course, we recognize you may never be able to work again due to your disability. However, answering these questions is important to completing your application. And answering these questions will be helpful if you might be able to do another type of job later in your recovery. So as you respond to these questions, we want you to consider a few things. First, you need to be aware that the Social Security Disability Program is changing. It is more difficult than ever to qualify for benefits, and there is growing scrutiny of those benefits that are already being paid. At the same time, there is an increasing focus on returning benefit recipients to work. Second, because of these changes, ALSUP is also changing. We are no longer a company whose sole purpose is just to help individuals obtain the benefits they deserve. We actively help our customers use their full benefits, which include help going back to work. That's right, ALSUP can help you use your disability benefits to get back to work in the future. And both Social Security and Medicare are extended while a person with a disability tries to go back to work and stay at work. For more than 30 years as a disability representative, ALSUP customers consistently have told us they prefer to be working. They want to return to some type of work if they can, despite their disability. We know no one wants to file a disability claim, and it's done out of necessity, not out of choice. We know everyone wants to remain productive, if at all possible. And we also know most people would prefer to work and earn a higher income than what they can receive in disability benefits. This is why ALSUP specialists can help you return to the workforce as soon as you feel ready to try, and to help you identify, prepare for, and obtain a different type of job that you can do, one that you might not be able to even visualize right now. We want to help you find a job and feel productive again despite your disability. We want to help you find a job with an employer who not only knows about your disability, but who wants to hire you because you have a disability and, if necessary, provide you with reasonable worksite accommodations. That's right. In today's world, there are many employers actively seeking to hire people with disabilities. Now, this may sound hard to believe, but it's absolutely true. ALSUP works with employers that are looking to hire people just like you. So let's get started. Always keep in mind as you answer the questions that ALSUP can help you go back to work when you're ready. We'll be there for you every step of the way. We're not only here to help you obtain disability benefits, but also to use them to reclaim your life.